In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using Mailchimp. Now, whether you're a small business owner or someone just getting into marketing, having a well-crafted landing page can significantly enhance your online presence and help you reach your desired audience more effectively. Let's jump right into it and simplify the process for you. First, the journey begins with logging into Mailchimp. If you haven't done so already, navigate to the Mailchimp website and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, don't worry, the sign-up process is straightforward and it's free to get started with their basic plan. Once you're in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your marketing activities. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the Campaigns tab. Now, this is the heart of your communication strategy where you can manage emails, ads, and specific campaigns like the one we're about to create. Click on Campaigns, and you'll see an option that says Create prominently displayed. Go ahead and click Create. You'll notice a variety of options here, but today our focus is on creating a landing page. Click Landing Page. This will prompt you to provide two essential pieces of information: a name for your page and the audience you're targeting. Picking the right name helps you keep things organized and clear, especially if you plan to make several landing pages down the road. As for the audience, Mailchimp will use the selected group to tailor your landing page's settings and track its performance. Once that's done, hit Begin. Now comes the creative part. You'll be greeted with a selection of templates to choose from. These templates are designed to help you present your content in the best possible way, depending on your goal. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that aligns with your vision. Keep in mind the purpose of your landing page as you choose. Are you promoting a special offer, hosting a webinar, or just looking to grow your email list? The layout of your template can make a significant difference. Once your template is picked, it's time to start editing. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is incredibly intuitive. You can tweak text, adjust colors, and insert images with ease. It's like piecing together a puzzle. You can see in real time how your page will look to visitors. Consider each element of your page carefully. Headlines should grab attention, images should resonate with your brand, and call to action buttons should be clear and inviting. When you feel satisfied with the design and functionality, it's time to publish. Publishing your landing page makes it live on the web. You can start driving traffic to it using social media, email campaigns, or online ads. And just like that, you've created a landing page on Mailchimp. All the hard work and creativity you've put in is now ready to assist in achieving your marketing goals. So go ahead, share it with the world, and watch your audience grow.